This is how I scrape every YC company whenever they're added to the YC directory. It's really straightforward. I'm going to show you how and which tools I'm using just so you can copy me. I'm basically using 3 tools. So you're going to need a Y Combinator website directory. You're going to need essentially, and this is the main tool, this Apify actor from Memo. Memo is by the way, a really good guy. You can see some of his other actors as well. And so this Apify actor and also an orchestration layer, which can be either Clay or N8N. In my case, I'm using both. I'm telling you why I'm using both. But let's start. So how you can go about getting your list of companies. The first step is actually getting the directory URL. So if you want all of the companies, you just select all batches, or if you want a specific batch, you can just pick here and notice that the URL changes. And this is what actually in the backend in Apify is how they are filtering which companies are picking. So let's see if I can scrape this company, this match. I'm going to Apify, in Apify, adding the start URLs here. There you go. And then you can simply run. It will scrape all of the companies with founder information, company domain, etc. So really, really helpful. Let me show you what's my setup. So I have this N8N automation that triggers, I think, every Friday. And every Friday, it's going to run that Apify actor, right, with the latest batch, the batch data, okay? And then I'm sending that data back to Clay. I'm telling you why. In Clay, what I'm doing is I am each of the companies here, the first thing and absolutely necessary is you have to dedupe the list. In Clay, you have something that can be done automated. You have auto dedupe, and the column that I'm using to dedupe is the YC URL, which is unique per company. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And in here, after deduping, I'm sending each founder data, which is also included in the app factor, into another table, essentially using the send table data. Really straightforward. And in here, I'm doing the usual outreach stuff, which is enriching with work email, which you can see here, and getting more, just clean up the data, clean up their names, the company domains, the company name, blah, 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 etc. This is a really good workflow that has worked for us and has worked for other clients as well. So highly recommended. But after probably this video is out, it's going to be a bit competitive. But anyways, I just wanted to share. And if you have any questions, let me know. I will add all of the links to all of the tools in the description just so you have it. Okay, there you go.